We're going to demonstrate how to set the autofocus calibration of the Fusion Maker, Edge, and Pro. This will work all on those models. So you'll need your manual focus gauge and a piece of anodized aluminum. This is the best material to use for calibrating the autofocus. And we're calibrating the autofocus so that once you're using autofocus and it touches the plunger, it's the distance away, or the table drops down away from the lens assembly. We're going to go over to our screen, touch the gear, go to focus, and turn on our calibration to activate that. There we go. So we've created a job in CorelDRAW that's the size of our plate, and we've sent that job to the machine, and we have a box that's in our anodized aluminum space, and we're going to run that at a high speed, low power. High speed, low power, we just want to barely make a mark. So we're going to run that and push stop. So we're going to go to our jobs, there's our box, push play. While it's running, we're going to push pause for a moment, and then we're going to be able to raise and lower the table with this button activated and get the brightest spot we can from the engraving. So while that's running, we're going to push play, touch the up and down focus button, and use the joystick to bring that way down out of focus. See, now we're not getting any engraving. Now we're going to bring that up till we get the brightest spot that we see. So the brightest spot is our most accurate focal distance. And that's the way we're setting the focal distance, is by the brightest spot. So once we have the brightest spot, we're going to push pause. Then we're going to use our manual focus gauge. And this should just barely touch the material. And it does. So once our manual focus gauge just barely touches, then we know our gauge is set correctly. So that's good. Then we're going to go ahead and push done. We're going to go to our gear, go to our focus, and our table has already been set, so we're going to go to CO2 focus. This is the thickness of the material, so we're going to say start. So that's done. Actually, let's go to focus, CO2 focus. That did not change, so I have to be sure. Oh, that's because I'm paused. So let's do reset. And now let's push start. So that number changed. You want to make sure that that's the same as the thickness of the material that you set in the machine. So now once that's done, we'll go to plunger. Actually, let's jog that out over the material first. Now we'll touch autofocus. Touches the material. And then we're going to go back to gear, focus, and auto plunger. And this is going to say start. And now our autofocus has been correctly set. And so that's how you calibrate the Fusion Maker, Edge, and Pro, the autofocus calibration.